Welcome back to the Deep Dive, your shortcut to getting truly well informed. We distill complex stuff into, well, the essential nuggets you need. Today, we're doing something a bit different, a unique deep dive, really. We're exploring just how much we can unpack from, believe it or not, just a title. Yeah, our source material today is literally just the title of an article, Luxury Hardscaping, Enduring Beauty and Impression. It's from luxurylandscaping.space. So, our mission, if you will, is to decode what's packed into those few words. I mean, for you, maybe you're a homeowner, maybe a design enthusiast. What does luxury hardscaping really mean, beyond just the cost? What about enduring beauty and impression? What does that promise? It would be amazing how much can be conveyed right now.
Oh, absolutely. It is incredible. Luxury, enduring, beauty, impression. These aren't just words, are they? They're loaded. They're packed with promises, expectations. They immediately signal a high standard. Quality, longevity, aesthetics, impact. It really sets the bar high. It's like a mini mission statement for a really high-end outdoor project condensed right there.
Okay, right. Let's unpack this then. Luxury hardscaping. It feels like it's got to be more than just, expensive paving stones. What does that actually translate to? What are maybe the tangible things, the design thinking that makes something truly luxury here? It's just about being big?
That's a really good point. No, it's often not just about sheer scale. True luxury, it's frequently in the details you don't see immediately. It's the custom work, the bespoke elements, the uncompromising quality of the materials and the installation, like choosing really dense, low absorption stones, say quarried bluestone or basalt, instead of softer ones that, wear out fast. And it's the stuff underneath the hidden engineering, that
Hmm.
meticulous sub-base prep, the drainage, maybe interlocking joints. That's what stops things shifting or cracking, ensures it lasts for decades, really,
Yeah.
and less upkeep down the line, too, which is part of the value.
Ah, okay. So luxury is partly hidden quality, the meticulous work. Then enduring beauty. That speaks of the longevity piece, right? How do those choices, the materials, the methods, actually make sure a space doesn't just last, but stays beautiful?
Yeah.
Voids looking dated. What gives it that timeless feel?
Well, when we talk enduring beauty and hardscaping, we're looking at choices that genuinely stand the test of time, visually and structurally. Think about, say, natural stone flagstone.
Yeah.
If it's laid really well on a proper base, cut precisely, it keeps its stability and its look for, well, decades. Compare that to maybe trendy stained concrete that can fade or crack pretty quickly, lose that initial pop. It's also about sticking to classic design ideas, good proportions, integrating with the landscape naturally rather than just chasing the latest fad. So yeah, it brings up that question, what is real longevity and timeless appeal in outdoor design? It's like a return on enjoyment, not just money.
That's fascinating. Makes me think of like investing in a classic watch or a really well-made piece of furniture. You buy it once, it lasts, bring joy for ages. But then there's the impression part, and this is where I think it gets really interesting. It's not just what it is, it's what it says, right? What it communicates. So what kind of impact or impression is this type of hardscaping actually designed to create? How does it shape that sense of place
Mhm.
or even status? And is there a line? Like, can striving for a big impression tip over into being, I don't know, too much? Maybe even take away from the natural setting.
That's a very perceptive question. Yeah, the impression. It's definitely multifaceted. It's visual, of course, so a grand entrance, maybe a serene courtyard, a statement of elegance, but it's also emotional, sensory even. How does the space feel? Does it draw you in? Does it reflect the owner's taste, their values? It speaks volumes, really. It signals this appreciation for quality, for permanence, for thoughtful design, without shouting necessarily. And to your point about ostentation, I think true luxury often values authenticity, integration, over just being flashy. A really thoughtful design might focus on, say, smooth transitions between the natural and the built parts, using local materials, complementing the house, rather than something totally over the top or jarring. The aim is usually to enhance the environment, not dominate it.
Okay, so we've kind of taken this title apart, luxury hardscaping, enduring beauty and impression.
Yeah.
And what we found is luxury hardscaping seems to mean this blend of like top tier quality aesthetics that last because of the craft and materials,
Mhm.
and also creating a significant positive impact on the space itself and how it's perceived.
Exactly. And if you step back, look at the bigger picture. Understanding what's implied in a title like this, it's almost a shortcut. A shortcut to grasping the core values of a field or what an investment like this really promises. The language, it isn't accidental. It's chosen carefully to convey specific benefits, specific aspirations, things like lasting value, visual impact. It's all in there.
So, what does this all mean for you listening? Maybe think about how these ideas, enduring beauty, lasting impression, apply elsewhere, not just in your garden or patio, but maybe any investment you make, personal, professional, anywhere that quality and long-term value really matter.
Yeah, something to think about. What elements really spell out luxury or enduring beauty in your own life? And what kind of impression, a lasting, thoughtful one, do you want to create? Food for thought.